welcome back to my channel. So festive season is here and मैंने सोचा festive season आ गया है तो एक makeup haul तो बनता है. So today I'm going to do a beauty haul and I'll show you guys products from Tira's big beauty party where you can get up to 60% off on all your favorite beauty brands. You can also use my coupon code right here. This is not an affiliate code. It will just give you guys more discounts. All product links will be in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. And yeah, let's get started. I have my box right here and I'm so excited to show you guys all the products. I have some makeup, skincare, hair care and all that good stuff. Okay, let's start with the most exciting product. इसके बारे में मैंने इतना ज़्यादा सुना है over the years but I never got around to try it. This is from Pixi and this is the Pixi Glow Tonic. आप लोगों ने इसके बारे में ज़रूर सुना होगा. This is such a popular viral product on social media. So this has 5% glycolic acid. It's an exfoliating toner and a lot of people swear by this. क्योंकि एक exfoliating टोनर है so this is not supposed to be used every single day. I think इसको वीक में 1 या 2 बार लगाना ही ठीक होगा क्योंकि इससे आपकी स्किन एक्सफोलिएट होती जाएगी. So I will definitely include this in my skincare and I will keep you guys posted after I use it for a few weeks. I'm super excited to try this out. The next product I have here is from this brand called Moody. Again, I have wanted to try this brand out because a lot of people have been talking about this. This is an acne expert pore cleansing foaming face wash and again this has salicylic acid and green tea, right up my alley because I have oily and acne prone skin. This also says that it's dermatologically tested and salicylic acid actually एक बहुत अच्छा ingredient है which cleans your pores from the inside out. So I'm really excited to try this out. You guys know I love face washes. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है अलग अलग face washes को try करना. Talking about a face wash, I also got this one. ये तो मैंने try and test किया है इतनी बार, जब से launch हुआ है तब से ही मैंने इसको try किया है. This is the face wash rice water bright foaming face wash. This is a foaming cleanser. Now this is the kind of product that will really deep clean your face. I really love using this when I'm wearing makeup. Like after I remove my makeup I use this and it really feels like my skin is clean. Even if you don't want to use something strong on a day-to-day basis, you can use it maybe once or twice a week and you'll be good to go. One of my all-time favorites. I'm so happy that I have another stock of this. I have one last cleanser and this is by Foxtail, another tried and tested product. I love this so much. This is the Foxtail Hydrating Cleanser. This is basically a 2-in-1 thing, so you can use this as a makeup remover and ये makeup को बहुत अच्छे से remove करता है and then you can also use this as a cleanser. So this is a really convenient product for lazy days. जब आपको मन नहीं है double cleansing करने का, you can just go in with this. It will remove your makeup and then it will also cleanse your face and it is a really effective product. I've used like 2 bottles of this and again I'm really happy that I have this in stock with me because I go through face washes like this and ये तीनों भी within like 2 months खत्म हो जाएंगे. Oh, and this is good for all skin types, so this will work on dry skin, combination skin, oily skin. It works for all. I have 2 products from Plum and you guys know Plum is one of my go-to brands. I really love almost everything that they come out with. So the first thing is this moisturizer. This is the Plum Rice Water Niacinamide Clear Moisturizer Gel Cream. It looks something like this. I'm just taking some at the back of my hand. Oh my god, ये already मेरे skin में बिल्कुल absorb हो गया है. Wow, that was quick and it is so lightweight. बिल्कुल मतलब फील ही नहीं हो रहा कि कुछ लगाया है. This is exactly something that I would reach out for because I don't like anything that sits heavy on my face या फिर आपको बहुत उसको ना मेहनत करनी पड़ती है उसको अपने स्किन में ब्लेंड करने के लिए ताकि वो absorb हो. I love very lightweight products जो जल्दी absorb हो जाते हैं and this cream really has a cooling effect also which I really liked. I cannot wait to try this on my face. I already know I'm going to love this stuff. I'm so happy that I got this. The second product is already something that I'm using currently and I just restocked and this is the Plum Vitamin C Serum. I have been using this every single day as part of my morning skincare routine and I love this stuff so much. This is also super lightweight. It has a very nice consistency and ये ना आपको instant glow देता है but वो चिप वाला feeling नहीं होता है. You guys know I don't like that in my serums. I want my serums to be super lightweight, very fast absorbing and this stuff is really good. Like it will give you almost instant results and after you use it for at least like a week or 2 you will see कि आपकी ना skin बहुत ज़्यादा healthy लग रही है, एक natural glow आ गया है and it also helps to fade very dark spots. I've actually seen really good results using this and I will continue to use this as part of my morning skincare. मैं इसको सुबह face wash करने के बाद ही लगा लेती हूँ and then I use a sunscreen and then I'm good to go. Really happy that I have a backup because I'm already done with my current one. Like उसमें थोड़ा सा ही बचा हुआ है. Quickly I want to talk about this Cosrx Ultra Light Invisible Sunscreen. I've already used this and I reviewed it for you guys. This is an ultra light chemical sunscreen. This has SPF 50 PA++++. This also has a very lightweight formula. See, it is already absorbed into the skin and it gives you a very nice semi-matte finish. It has no white cast as you can see, so I really like using this. And इसको भी मैं almost daily अपने skincare routine में use करती हूँ. I have a lot of skincare and मैं उनको ना rotate करती रहती हूँ. ये मैंने system पहले भी आप लोगों को समझाया है. So this is part of the rotation. This is one of the best sunscreens that I've used this year, so I would highly recommend this. I got this amazing product from Sulvasu and this is their gentle cleansing oil. मैंने कभी भी ये brand ट्राई नहीं किया है, so I wanted to try something from this brand because I've heard a lot about this. ये East Asia में especially बहुत ज़्यादा popular है. I've seen a lot of Korean celebrities use this brand, so I cannot wait to try this out. This is also such a good size product for travel purposes. Like traveling के time पे इसको आप आराम से लेके जा सकते हो. यहाँ पे ना lock भी है, so this will not spill out everywhere. I have really high expectations with this product, so I will definitely use this and keep you guys posted. Next I have this shampoo and this is by a brand called Yves Rocher. It's a French brand as far as I know, and this is why I love Tira so much because they have brands that I've never heard before and this is such an affordable product. मुझे नाम सुन के लगा था कि बहुत महंगा होगा, but no, this is actually a very affordable product and you will also get it at a discount right now. It's called the anti-hair loss supplement. Basically it's a shampoo. This is specifically for hair loss, which is amazing because I deal with hair loss every now and then and I always go for products which will help with hair loss and stuff like that. It smells pretty good actually. It smells like essential oils. This does not have essential oils as far as I know, but इसकी smell बड़ी pleasant है and I love a good smelling shampoo. I cannot wait to use this. मेरे बहुत high expectations है इससे. As far as I know, this is sulfate free also. Yes, it is a new sulfate free formula, so perfect for my hair. I will definitely get back to you after I use it a few times. Super interesting product. यहाँ पे ना बहुत कुछ लिखा हुआ है like claims and stuff. So I really want to see how this performs on my hair. मेरे काफी high expectations है. Now let's talk about some makeup. I have this eyeshadow palette right here. This is the Profusion Ruby Gems 5 Shades Glitter Eyeshadow Palette. I'm going to swatch this one for you guys. Oh my god. Look at that. इतना सुंदर लग रहा है ये. Guys, look at that shine. देखो मुझे लग तो रहा था ये बहुत अच्छा होगा, but this exceeded all my expectations. And मैंने ना काफ़ी अपने आई शेडो पैलेट्स डिक्लटर कर दिए थे, so I was missing some glitter in my vanity. This has such pretty shades and the formula is so good. This has really pretty shades and I really like the formula as well. Like this looks amazing. ये आईज पे तो और ज़्यादा सुंदर लगेगा. And आजकल ना सिर्फ इनर कॉर्नर्स पे भी थोड़ा ग्लिटर लगाओ and full matte look करो, वो भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुंदर लगता है. तो ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि लिड पे आप बहुत ज़्यादा ग्लिटर लगाओ. आप ग्लिटर इनर कॉर्नर्स पे भी लगाओगे तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लुक आता है. मैं इसको पूजो या दिवाली पे ज़रूर यूज़ करूँगी. नेक्स्ट आई हैव अ लिक्विड लिपस्टिक बाय वेट एंड वाइल्ड एंड आई यूज्ड टू यूज़ वेट एंड वाइल्ड बैक इन द डे and I really like their liquid lipsticks. This shade is right up my alley. This is in the shade Rebel Rose, which I think is a very popular shade from their liquid lipstick collection. Oh my god, this is such a beautiful mauve nude. Look at that you guys. कितना सुंदर mauve nude है ये. It's such a beautiful color. These are the kind of shades I always gravitate towards even during like festive season and wedding season. मुझे बहुत loud lipsticks लगाना नहीं पसंद. So like इसमें थोड़ा सा से mauve pinkish जो touch है ना, this is perfect. आप किसी भी outfit के साथ इसको लगा सकते हो and it will stand out. It will look very very nice. These type of shades complement most eye looks as well. I have another lipstick and this is the Maybelline Vinyl Ink. I love Vinyl Ink. This is one of my favorite ranges from Maybelline and this is in the shade Tempting. It's a beautiful ऐसे red type का shade है, pinkish red type का shade है ये. Oh my god, the shade is gorgeous. Look at that. ये मेरे इसी टॉप को कितने अच्छे से मैच कर रहा है. सो मेरे पास ना कोई भी रेड लिपस्टिक नहीं है एट दिस पॉइंट एंड जो भी है ना बहुत ही ज़्यादा न्यूड ही है. सो आई वॉन्टेड समथिंग लाइक दिस दैट आई कैन एक्चुअली मिक्स विद माई ब्राउन न्यूड लिपस्टिक्स बिकॉज इन दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है एंड इसका फॉर्मूला मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. इट इज़ अ लिटिल ग्लॉसी बट बिल्कुल मैट हो जाता है एंड बिल्कुल ट्रांसफर नहीं करता. इट इज़ सुपर लॉन्ग लास्टिंग एंड आई लाइक ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द शेड्स दैट आई हैव फ्रॉम दिस रेंज इन पर्टिकुलर. दिस फॉर्मूला इज ऑल्सो वेरी कंफर्टेबल ऑन द लिप्स एंड अगर आपने अभी तक ये रेंज चेकआउट नहीं किया है यू शुड. फेस्टिव सीजन के लिए तो ये रेंज बिल्कुल परफेक्ट है. सो मेक श्योर कि आप इसको ज़रूर चेकआउट चेकआउट करो. Next I have the Maybelline Sky High Mascara, one of my favorites. Maybelline does amazing mascaras. I don't think they have come out with a mascara that I did not like. This is such an amazing mascara. एक तो इसका wand मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. This is what the wand looks like. So this gives you a lot of volume. It also separates your lashes and इसको ना थोड़ा lengthen भी करता है. It does not really get clumpy. You just have to take off the excess product, जो मैं in any case सारे mascaras के साथ करती हूँ, and it just gives you the most beautiful volume. And I really love the wand. बिल्कुल ना precision से आपका mascara लगता है. I don't like very chunky wands. I really like ऐसे type का wand ही. So yeah, this is again a very long lasting mascara. So festive season के लिए perfect है, डांडिया वगैरह के लिए and पूजों के लिए भी अगर आप बाहर निकलते हो. So mostly ना मैं एक ही बार मेकअप करती हूँ. So एक बार इसको लगाओ and you'll be done for the day. Next I have the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. This is something I used to use so much back in the day and I recently saw a lot of people use this. So मुझे था कि मुझे इसको ना use करना है, but I got this specially for contour purposes. I got this in the shade 144 which will give me that natural bronze contour look. Like मैं एक ही product use करती हूँ for bronzing and contour both. This is not too dark but this is not too light, so मेरे skin के लिए perfect है and वो natural जो look आता है ना वही मुझे चाहिए था. I've been into cream and liquid contouring a lot and I've seen a lot of people use concealers for that, so that is why I wanted to give this a shot and try it for myself. This is such a good concealing product in general also. अगर आप इसको अपने under eyes के लिए भी use करना चाहते हो, you can definitely go for this. It has such a good formula. It is almost full coverage. It blends really well and it just looks really nice on the skin. One of my favorite base products from Maybelline. And अगर अभी तक आपने इसको try नहीं किया है, you should definitely give it a shot. That is everything that I got this time. I had so much fun filming this. मुझे beauty hauls करना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. Don't forget to check out Tira's big beauty party which went live from 28th September and it will go on till 6th October. So you have a lot of time to shop. Again, I will leave all the links of the products that I showed in the description box below. So don't forget to check it out. Thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.